Ever wondered what coffee brand the world is obsessed with? Imagine a coffee so popular that it's found in almost every country, from bustling cities to remote villages. Stick around to find out why over 5,500 cups of this coffee are consumed every second worldwide. Let's uncover the incredible story behind the world's best-selling coffee. The coffee we're talking about is none other than Nescafé by Nestlé. Since its creation in 1938, Nescafé has captured coffee lovers' hearts across continents. Today, it's the most consumed instant coffee brand globally, with an impressive range of over 40 different varieties to cater to unique local tastes. So, what makes Nescafé so special? First, it's the convenience. Unlike traditional coffee that requires brewing, Nescafé is instant. Just add hot water, and you're good to go. Plus, its smooth taste and wide range of flavors have turned Nescafé into a morning essential for millions around the world. Now, here's where it gets really fascinating. The largest consumers of Nescafé are in Japan, the United States, Russia, and France. Japan alone consumes over 60,000 tons of instant coffee each year, while the US imports a whopping $2 billion worth of Nescafé products annually. This shows just how global the brand's appeal is. And what does it cost? In the US, a 100-gram packet of Nescafé can be found for around $6 to $8. This price varies across countries, but Nescafé remains affordable, making it accessible for people from all walks. Did you know? Nescafé is consumed by over 180 million people daily worldwide. And during the COVID-19 pandemic, Nescafé's sales surged by 20% as more people turned to the convenience of home-brewed coffee. Nescafé on store shelves, in households, and being enjoyed by diverse groups of people. In a world flooded with coffee brands, Nescafé has stayed on top by continually evolving. With options like Nescafé Gold for a premium experience and Nescafé 3-in-1. For those on the go, this brand adapts to its audience's changing. Now, I'm curious, do you drink Nescafé? And if so, which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're a coffee lover, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more interesting coffee stories just like this.